So why would you want to move to a Robertson home in Dunbar? Well, you've probably seen the houses, and I think we can all agree that they are really lovely, so that gets a big tick. But location is really important, and I've not been to Dunbar before, so I'm going to take my bike and go for a short ride around the town and the local areas to see what the town has to offer. As a location, is this a good place to buy? Actually, I can see before I've even left the development, opposite we've got a golf course. So if you're into golf, then this is going to be absolutely heaven. There's even somebody walking their dog, so it's obviously the place for, if you love the outdoors like I do, this is going to be a great place to live. So I can see straight away it's got a lovely town centre, loads of independent shops, lots of smiling faces, friendly people. It's gorgeous. The town centres are great, but oh wow, look at that. But I'm more interested in the outdoors. I want to see what sort of beaches and scenery we have up here. It's absolutely stunning already. I cycled about a mile into the centre of the town, and then probably about another mile out the other side, and I'm at Belhaven Bridge, which is this little bridge over here. It's called the Bridge to Nowhere, and I think when the tide comes in it just looks like a bridge in the water, and this beach just goes on for miles and miles and miles. It's absolutely gorgeous, and there's people surfing, kite surfing, I should say, walking their dogs, playing with their kids. And it's just a weekday. It's just a stunning place to be. There you go, look, there's a happy golden retriever about to go in the water. Look at that. That's just happiness, right? So that's Belhaven Beach behind, and I've just picked up the John Muir Way, which is obviously traffic free. How lovely is this? Absolutely stunning. Just a couple of miles, and we're at the East Links Family Park behind me. And then the John Muir Country Park is just ahead, and it's literally just around the other side of the bay. And again, if you just want to come down after work, walk your dogs, come and relax. Looks like there's some waymarked walks, which should just be lovely. And all I've done is come round from here, around, and yeah, what a great place to live. I think I'm going to head back into town and go and have a look at the harbour, because that's supposed to be really gorgeous too. And so is Dunbar a place that you'd want to move to? I 100% would say yes. I think it's gorgeous. It's got a really good atmosphere. Everybody's been super friendly, and it's a beautiful place. So, and if you're going to buy Robertson homes as well, bonus.